Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing what's new for the 1.11 update in Level Design Toolkit. As you can see here in the notes widget, I've got a list of all the different features within this update. With the first one being that you can now edit notes after you add them. So previously if you added a note, you would not be able to alter this text, but now you can add more text. And then if you close the notes and then reopen it, you'll see that it's added the text I typed in before I closed it, and it's all being saved. And now also you can, when you click the delete button, you're then given a prompt to, are you sure you want to delete the note, rather than it just deleting the note straight away. So the progress camera system is inspired by Blutility. So what you'll be able to use this for is you'll be able to place these cameras, you'll be able to, the progress camera folder. You can place a camera in the scene, right click it, pilot the camera, and then position it where you'd like. Eject, and you know, obviously we've got this one camera and then these other two here and here, and then in the middle of these is the master actor for the progress camera system. So just a simple boolean, which is either true or false. With this being true, I click play, and what it'll do is it will switch to each camera, take a screenshot, and then bring it to like my hard drive. So you'll be able to use these, take progress pictures throughout Blocktober. And then once you're done, you can leave the cameras in the world and just make sure you set the take pictures to false, and then enable it again once you're ready to take more progress pictures. And then the next feature is bulk set materials. So if you go and let's say select all these meshes, you can now right click, scripted actions, set material, and then here you'll be able to set what material you want to use, and then also which index you want to apply this material to. So the next two features are move selected actors based on the viewport camera location, and also set the viewport camera location within the widget itself. So if you, for example, want to go to 000 in your world, you can just click set, and you get set to that location. Or you can do Y 50,000, for example, and then do set, and you get set to Y 50,000. And then for the move selected actors, say for example I want to move this cube to where I am, instead of me dragging it around the scene, I can just do set, and then that'll set this cube's location to the camera's location. Or if you do offset, what this will do is it will get the distance between the camera and the actor, and then it will move it in that direction. Or you can also do minus, and then it'll come closer to the camera rather than further away. The next feature is the added other tools section in Level Design Toolkit. You've seen the top right here, I've got other. If I click this, you'll see we'll get all the other editor utility widgets within the toolkit, but it's now all placed into this one location here, rather than having each one sort of dotted about the editor in different locations. And the next one is just added a new command, which is this stat streaming. This is a command that I was using in another project, and I was using it quite a bit, so I decided to just add it into this list here. Now the last two changes are just some like bug fixes. So for the scene POI, there's no longer the large gaps that you may notice between each name. They're all nicely packed together now. And then also I've updated the hover text for some of the tools. If you didn't know, when you hover over some of these buttons, you'll see in this information box that the text has been updated to say what they do. And there was a few tools that were missing this feature. That's it for the 1.11 update for Level Design Toolkit. You can get this asset pack on the UE4 marketplace. And also if you do, check out Level Design Toolkit. If you go under the settings and then this bug and feature button, if you give this a click, it'll bring you to a Google form, which you'll be able to either report a bug or request a feature, and then type it onto here. And then I'll get an email to say what you've put, and then this will be used for future updates. Before I end this video, I'd like to just explain why there's been a sort of a lack of updates for Level Design Toolkit. The reason for it is we are 11 updates deep into this project, and the ideas that I'm having are a little bit few and far between. So like I mentioned, with the feature suggestions, they'll be much appreciated. And thank you for watching.